Alright, now the image editing tools inside Samsung Gallery application is just fantastic. There are plenty of tools to edit the images. We can enhance the image, crop it, add effects or filters to it, and we can do a lot more within the Gallery application. However, Samsung did launch another application for image editing called Galaxy Enhance X. And we all welcomed this application and it used to work really great. However, after some time, this app started freezing on the Galaxy S22 Ultra and a few other Samsung Galaxy phones, and eventually this application stopped working completely. Maybe Samsung would have decided not to offer this application anymore because there are already a lot of tools inside the Gallery app to enhance your image or edit your image. Maybe that was the reason. But now things have changed. One of the subscribers, Ujjwal, yesterday pointed out in the comment section on yesterday's video saying that this application is still working. And what I did was I went to Galaxy Store and searched for Galaxy Enhance X, and it was right there available on the top of the search list. And when I opened it and checked the overview, it was saying version number 1.0.55 and the update date was 24th April 2023. And on the application icon, it says beta. And I'm not really sure whether this application was launched as beta. I don't recall it. You let me know whether it was a beta or it was a stable release when they launched the Galaxy Enhance X. Now this application is available, but this is available only on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. I did search this on the S22 Ultra as well. It was not showing up in the search results on the Galaxy Store. On the S23 Ultra, this application is available. And as mentioned in the description, this Galaxy Enhance X application is one-stop AI solution for all media enhancements. With a single tap, your image is analyzed for imperfections, enhanced and refined to a higher quality. So this is completely based on AI. I just read this out for those people who always comment saying that stop calling everything an AI when it comes to image editing. As you can see here, it says AI-based techniques can be invoked by a user to both repair and enhance the images stored in the gallery. One can remove unwanted blur, reflections, and at the same time also sharpen and upscale resolution, improve dynamic range, and brighten photos captured in low light conditions. All these can be done using the artificial intelligence. It also says both the original photo and the enhanced photo is saved in the gallery in JPEG format. So you can edit the image, the original and the edited image will remain in the gallery. Now let's open this application and see how is the interface now. As you can see, it asks us to select a picture to edit. We cannot edit any videos here. It's only for images. I can just tap on select to select any of these images. At the bottom, we have got all these tools. We have got HDR option. The moment you tap on it, it will enhance the image in HDR and it will provide a brighter, vibrant and colorful effect on the image. As you can see, we have got before and after effect slider here, and we can also increase or decrease the HDR effect right here using this slider. Apart from that, we have got brighten, blur fix, sharpen options, and we can tap on more to get more tools here. You have got remove reflection, remove shadows, fixed lens distortion, portrait and freeze. Let me just tap on portrait here. As you can see, this image gets a portrait effect. Even if you have not taken the image in portrait, this application can add the portrait effect on any images. That is just fantastic. These tools are just incredible. Now let me just quickly demonstrate how good this Enhance X is when it comes to editing. Let's open the same image on both these phones. I've got the S22 Ultra on the left hand side. Inside the gallery, I will open this application, and on the Enhance X application on the right hand side here on S23 Ultra, I will open the same image. I will go to the editing menu inside the gallery on this phone, and here I have got the editing options on the Enhance X. Now you can see the shadow here on this image on these trees. What we are going to do is we will try to remove the shadow here. I will tap on shadow removal option on the gallery. Here on Enhance X, I'll go to more and tap on remove shadows. You can see on Enhance X, the AI is doing its job. Automatically it erases the shadows and gives us the best picture possible, and then we can adjust it depending on our preferences. Whereas in the gallery, we have to manually increase or decrease this slider, and when we erase the shadows here on the gallery app, the output is not really good. It is in fact brightening the entire image to remove the shadows here. You can see the best image on the right hand side here. This is edited on Enhance X. I've removed the shadows, and on the left we've got the edited image inside the gallery application. And we also have automatic fix here. The moment you select an image, you can see this magic icon right above this hamburger menu. When you tap on this, it perfects the pixel and enhances the image and the images come out to be really cool. I think you guys should try this application if you are rocking a Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, or maybe on the regular S23 series this application may be available. Do check it out in the Galaxy Store. On the top here we have got a few more options to share this image after editing it, or we can download it, or tap on this 3-dot button to share the application itself. I can just tap on share this application. The link will be shared through these apps here. This is indeed a brilliant photo editing application which is developed by Samsung and available currently on the Galaxy S23 series. I will leave a link for this application in the description and in the comment section. In case if you want to check out the compatibility of your device, you can hit that link and try to download the app. If it is available for your device and in your region, you will be able to download it. Do drop a comment and let me know whether you're able to use this application or not. I really wish Samsung makes this application available. I know a lot of you guys might say that the gallery application is good enough for photo editing, but when it comes to this application, this can do wonders on the image. The editing features or the tools are just brilliant. That is all I wanted to share with you guys. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, go ahead, hit the subscribe button and give this video a like if you find it useful. Thanks for watching. My name is Salian signing off. Cheers, bye bye.